Hello everyone, I wanted to create a little video just to kind of give you guys an overview of what you can expect from our current unit. This unit is focused on Introduction to Child Development, Observations, and Service. And so within the chapter that's provided to you in our unit, you're going to learn about different types of research, you're going to learn about different theorists, you're going to get an overview of child development and the different developmental domains that will be discussed in this course. And then there's going to be another set of content that's going to focus on observations, why they're important. And I would actually suggest that you practice writing some observations. You're going to have to know how to write objective observations later on within this course. So make sure you definitely focus on that material too. There's also going to be some links in here where you're going to start looking at the developmental guidelines that we're going to use as part of our course content when we're looking at videos and so forth. And then finally, there's information for you to review about the service learning component for this course. So please take the time to look at everything. This unit does last 2 weeks. But don't wait till the end because there's a lot of videos, there's a lot of information. Saying that, there is a page that you're going to see that's, I believe it's called the Theorist page or Theorist videos. There's a video for multiple theorists on there. You do not have to watch them all at one time. I would suggest you start watching a video of a theorist that you connected most with as you were reading our course text, and then maybe watching a video about the theorist that you didn't connect so well to. This will just help you kind of get a better understanding about the different theories that are going to be discussed and going to be used within and throughout our course. So again, just take your time doing this, but don't wait till the last minute because we do have quite a bit of work in this content, quite a bit of work in this module. And then ultimately you do have a content connection assignment that's going to be due at the end. When you look at your actual course, the dates here, there will be a date listed so you know exactly when the unit starts and when the unit stops. It's really important though, and I know I said this in the welcome video at the beginning of the semester, it's really important that you go through each of these pages here and take the time and read what is there. Maybe print it off, use it as a checklist to make sure you're staying on track. As usual, if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great week.